Hello and welcome back to another video with Drago, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Mac OS X working on your Vmware virtual machine. So first of all, I've got a list of things you have to download or have. Well, you don't really have to have a USB, but it would be helpful for multibeast drivers and stuff like that. You need a Torrent Client, Vuse or uTorrent if you already have one. The usual iAKTOS you need for this one, so mounting lighting, so you're going to have mounting lighting on your virtual machine. You need Vmware workstation 9. I provided a torrent for it with a keygen. If you don't know how to use keygens, I strongly prefer that you don't do this video. And you also need DMG to ISO to convert the iAKTOS to a ISO image. So first of all, you should have got your downloaded mounting line, and DMG image should be in one folder without these two. So these shouldn't be there, but it should have these, the DLLs and DMG to image. You can't run it by just double clicking because it just goes away. So what you need to do is click on whatever iAKTOS, drag it into the application, and then it will turn it into a ISO file. So once you've got the ISO file, go ahead and open up Vmware, whatever you want to say, and I have lost it on my screen. I don't know where it is. There it is. Sorry for that. Vmware. Open up your Vmware. I've already got two going, so go home, create new virtual machine, typical installation, install disk image with image, so browse to where the image is, so it would be in your DMG to image, and it should be there where you converted it. I'll look for mine, which is oops, it's on my external, so I'm gonna pause and plug in my alright, I'm back, and going to where you converted your DMG to ISO. So you'll be in here with iAKTOS mounting line. Make sure it's got ISO file. So once you've done that, open it. It usually says could not detect which operating system is on it. It's because Vmware doesn't fully support Mac OS X. So just click next. Other 64-bit. Next. Name it, say whatever you want, so mountain lion, ML, I'll just go YouTube because it's for YouTube. Next, make sure it has 20 gigabytes of at least 20 gigabytes of space, and store it as a single file. Next, hard drive, go customize hardware, make it have at least 2 or 4 gigabytes of RAM. I let it have 4 gigabytes of RAM because I have 8 gig of RAM, but if you only have 4 gig, let it have 2 gig of RAM. so half of your RAM is good. Processors, if you have a dual core processor, you just click 2 on both of these, and if you have a quad core, it will be 4. Because, so if you have both 2s, it should be good. That's all set up properly. Display is auto detect, network is NAT, and it should be all fine. So after that, you close it, click finish. Next, you have to power on the firmware. You'll run the dial and boot, and you just press spacebar or whatever. You have to click on the screen first too, because it runs differently. So this is gonna load up. Since it's on your computer, it shouldn't take a very long time like it usually takes with CDs. Because CDs are really slow at reading compared to, say, SSD or normal hard drive. Even the USB is really fast compared to CD. So that's going to spin, stop for a moment, mouse pops up, and voila. The mouse is gonna feel really weird because that's how it works. Go into utilities, disk utility, your hard drive, Vmware virtual thingy, or erase, Mac OS X journal, name it whatever you want. So name it Mac OS X. Mountain line. Click erase. Click erase. Once it's done, and that goes all back there. Click out of it. Continue. Agree. Click on the. After that, you click install, and it will start installing. I'll be back once it stops. Yeah. Stop recording. Okay. So now it's got about a minute left, so we'll just have to wait a minute or so. Headset turns off on me, which is kinda annoying. So it's got less than a minute remaining. Hurry up, please. This is YouTube. Well, it will be. At the moment it is. So, yeah. Let's start. I'm very sorry for awkward silences that come with this part of the tutorial, because there's a very important thing you have to do just after the installation, which isn't very much a bad thing, but lots of people complain about it. Lots of people don't know what they're gonna do. So now it is succeeded. You just have to click restart. So trying starting up again with iAKTOS once again. Wing safe mode should have those bars for no apparent reason. And voila. In safe mode, it always works. Also, I found out a problem. Don't stuff with the graphics enabler thingy.